Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a digital certified signature in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat. So if you do not already have it downloaded and installed, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, if you have not already, and get started with downloading it. So once you've downloaded and installed it, you can get started with opening it up right here, and this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, we are going to have the recommended tool section from where we can get started filling and signing our documents. You can use this for adding your basic signature to any PDFs that you want and to get started with signing them this way. But what we can also do is follow these instructions right here on the official Adobe Acrobat help page, where we can go and take a look at how to certify PDFs with our signature. So you can go ahead and follow the steps for yourself. What I suggest for you to do is go to adobe.com and find the article and then get started following right here on selecting the all tools section and going to go ahead and click the certify option. This is going to show you the visible signatures. Then in the dialog box that opens, you can select to drag new signature rectangle, and in the save as certified document dialog box, you're going to go ahead and be clicking OK, and then use the dotted cursor to draw a rectangle where you want the signature to appear. Just like that, you're going to go ahead and be able to use your ID to certify your PDFs, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.